In today's lesson, we're going to be learning how to change a decimal into a fraction. Now, to do this, we must have some background knowledge with place value. So we're going to put up a place value chart, and then we're going to fill it in as we go. So in the middle, we have our decimal. We have places on the right side, and then we have places on the left side. And on the left side is our whole numbers. We have our ones place, our tens, our hundreds, and so forth and so on. And on the right side is our fraction side. We have our tenths, our hundredths, and our thousandths. So the first example we're going to start off with, the first decimal is 0.7. And all we're going to do is we're going to fill it in to our place value chart. Our 0 is on the left, and our 7 is on the right. Now, our 7, the only number that we have, is in the tens place on the fraction side, so that determines our denominator. So our denominator is going to be 10. And our numerator is going to be 7. So 0.7 is equivalent to 7 over 10 in fraction form. Now we're going to start with a different example to have a better understanding of how to make this change. So the new decimal we're going to start off with is 0.27. So we're going to go ahead and fill in this decimal into our place value chart. Our 0 on the left, our 27 on the right. Now it's important to always look at the very last number and where it is placed. So our last number here is a 7 and is in the hundredths place. So that determines our denominator. And then the 27 is our numerator. So 0.27 is equal to 27 over 100 in fraction form. Now we're going to do one last example. And this example is going to have a number, a whole number, 1.27. So we fill this in to our place value chart. The 1 is on the left and the 27 is on the right. And our last number is going to be 7, and it is in the hundredths place. So that determines our denominator. Our denominator is 100. And our numerator is going to be simply 27. Now, what we do with our whole number is we're going to put it to the left of the fraction, which makes this a mixed number. So 1.27 is equal to 1 and 27 over 100 in fraction form. Now this fraction can also be represented as an improper fraction, in which we multiply the denominator times the whole number and we add the numerator. So 100 times 1 is 100 plus 27 gives us 127 as our numerator, and our denominator remains the same. So we have 127 over 100.